Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can categorize your product on your Wix online store. You're going to learn how to create your categories, adding pictures as your category's thumbnail, as well as inserting your product into each categories that you made. Alright, so this is the editing site dashboard that you're going to see if you already sign into Canva. And to start creating your categories, you're going to want to the store product option that are located on the menu on the left side of your screen, and then you're going to choose on categories. By clicking that, Wix are going to take you to this categories customization section, and in here you can start creating your categories, and you can also sort your product into each categories. Now, to create your categories, you can either do it by clicking on this big plus sign, or you can also click on this new categories button. Either way, it's fine. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and click on the new category button. And now we are inside of the category customization section. Now you can create your categories and customize it however you want. For starters, we can start by naming the categories. You can do that by double clicking on the category name. For now, I'm just going to name the first category that I'm adding as summer collection. And then to add the product into these categories, you're going to go ahead and click on the add product menu, and then you can just choose on whichever product you would like to insert into this category. These products are the ones that are pre-made. I'm just going to use this for tutorial's sake, and I'm choosing 3 products for these categories. As you can see, now the 3 products are automatically inserted into the summer collection categories. Now to change the category image, you can just go ahead and click on this big plus sign under category image options. And you can also arrange your product. For example, if I want my second product to be the first one, I can just go ahead and click on the product and drag it to the very left of my product categories, etc. I can just rearrange my product to however I want it to be by clicking and then dragging it to which positions I want my product to be. And once we've done customizing our categories, we're going to go ahead and click on this save button on the very bottom right of your screen. Once you save your category, you can always edit it by clicking on these 3 dots on the top right corner of your category's pictures. You can also add image as the category thumbnail, or if you don't want to use that category anymore, you can just go ahead and click on this delete option. Alright, I'm going to show you once more. This time I'm going to add my category by clicking on this big plus sign beside my other categories pictures. And then I'm going to rename my categories. This time it's going to be a winter collection. I'm going to rename it by double clicking on the name text box. And then I'm going to add my product by clicking on the add product button. And then I'm going to choose the product that I would like to be categorized as winter collection and go ahead and click save. Again, to arrange the product, I can just go ahead and click on this arrow in the middle of each product pictures and then drag it around to where I want my product to be. Again, to add the category image, I can just go ahead and click on this big plus signs under category image wording. I can also delete my category if I ever made some mistakes or anything else that make me want to delete that category. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and click on save. And that is how you can create your own category. Now, if you still have some question or there are still things you would like to know about the category, you can go ahead and click on this learn how text on top of your categories pictures, and then Wix are going to take you into the categories info webpage, and then you can just read some more over there. Now let's try to add some thumbnail pictures for our categories. To do that, you can go ahead and click on add image, and over here you can choose to upload your file by clicking on upload file over here, or you can also just drag your pictures. You can upload your media from Instagram, Dropbox, Facebook, Google Drive, etc. And here I already uploaded some pictures of screen. I decided to insert these 2 pictures over here that I'm going to use as my thumbnail. Now, before you use it as your thumbnail, you have the option to crop and edit your pictures, but I'm going to go ahead and skip that for now. And this is how my thumbnail are going to look like after I insert the pictures that I've just uploaded. So I'm going to show you once again. What you want to do is you're going to click on the three tiny dots on the top right corner of your pictures, click edit pictures, and then choose the pictures to your liking. So this is actually going to be the first thing that your customers are seeing once they're looking at your product collection. So make sure that the pictures that you are inserting as your category image actually consist of the product that are related to that category. Now you have the option to add this category into your site. You can do that by clicking on the add category to site, and then you're going to click on add to site once the pop-up menu appears. When you're adding your category to your website, you have the options to create a new page for this category, or you can also just add the category to an existing page. By clicking that, you're going to be able to click on which page you want this category to appear. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and click create a new page for this category. And then as you can see, I have now a new page in the name of summer collection, just like the category that I just input into my site. Of course, I can always delete it if I don't want to create a specific page just for that category. I can also edit it from there, but for now, I'm just going to go ahead and save it. Now, once I got the categories into my menu, I also have the option to move it around. For example, if I don't want my category to be just its own page, but I want it to be a submenu of a specific page, I can just go ahead and click on the category bar and move it around to where I want it to be. For example, I'm dragging the category bar under the fabric section, and it's going to make it a sub page instead of its own page. If I ever need to make changes, I can just go ahead and click on the triple dot on the right side of my category bar and then click on setting, and here I can change the page name. I can also hide it from menu if I don't want it to be a part of the main menu. I can also change the layout of my category page as well as the permission on who can see that specific page. I can choose whether everyone can see it, or only password holder, or only several person that are going to be able to see that page. There are also several other menus in the settings that you can click and customize, such as advanced SEO, social share, etc. And that is how you can create and customize your categories on Wix online store. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.